This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks on TD Ameritrade for beginners full guide. First, create and verify your TD Ameritrade account, then link a bank account for funding. Next, choose the right account type and set your preferences for alerts and security. I will walk you through the desktop and mobile workflows step by step, explaining order types, fees, and simple strategies to place your first trade confidently. To pick a stock, start with simple research tools and screeners on TD Ameritrade to narrow choices. Review fundamentals like revenue, earnings, and P/E ratios, and read analyst notes for context. Look at recent news and sector performance to avoid surprises, and consider using watch lists to monitor candidates over days or weeks. I'll show practical examples and how to interpret common metrics so you can decide with clarity before buying. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more beginner-friendly investing tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for your car to keep the drive pleasant while you listen to market updates. It's a small comfort during long trading sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When you place an order, select the ticker symbol and choose the order type that matches your plan, such as market or limit. Enter the number of shares or dollar amount, double-check the price and fees, and set any stop or limit conditions to manage risk. Confirm the order and monitor execution status in your Orders tab, then adjust or exit positions as your strategy or market conditions change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.